Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the light up there. I'm trying to sort of like do a quick video, live video, because I've been to see a client yesterday, which was more to do with the video. I shoot a lot of free video for this client and make lots of fun videos for this other project I'm doing on the side. And I find when I go there and access their like guest network, the internet's really slow. It's horrible. And it's really bad. And I had a long meeting with them yesterday, talking about discussions of video going forward and other ideas and stuff doing this. And they're connected to the admin side of it all, so they should have unrestricted access. Let me sort this light out because it's pinned the back side. Yeah, so they have unrestricted access. It's still terrible on that side. Let me hold this, probably be more easier. Yeah, so they have unrestricted access to their network, and even they were saying how slow and bad it was just generally web browsing. So this is really bad, especially you've got people coming in and jumping around, and you've got free Wi-Fi. If you got my theory on this is, if you restrict speed on the guest network, people spend more time on the internet trying to download the page or open up their app or something. It takes longer, so more people are on the network more longer. Now if you're unrestricted, given full bandwidth for speed, then that way they can open their app, do what they want to do, and then disconnect, and then the next person's on there. Nice and quick, nice and easy. I've never restricted access on any wireless network I've installed in the past, and I've never done anything from home here. I've always used QoS, which is all built in, use all the standard basis features. It all works fine. I've never had any issues. That way people can then download what they want, grab what they want, upload an app or something, upgrade their phone or something really quickly, nice and fast. They're off disconnected, they're off doing something else. So people can freely come on the go. If you restrict it, it means more people will be sitting there trying to download it, hogging more bandwidth, which is not there, freezing up the system, and then people would end up giving up, or just stay on it. Then everything comes really slow. It's terrible. So hopefully and also I looked at there while I was there. I also said to how do you share access to all your staff, because there are multiple sites, so they all collaborate together. So they generally each one's got their own laptop, which is their own private laptop. So they're doing in theory like hot desking as such. And of course it's quite achy on the arm. And they use Gmail, and they also got a company email they're trying to roll out, which is through Outlook. So she's running on Gmail. She's also got Outlook to look at. That's a mess in itself. There's no calendar sharing. There's no inbox sharing. So it's a bit of a mess. I mean, if you can't share the info account on your sales team, then you don't know who's actually emailing that person who's just done an inquiry. So you can't keep hold of it. At least you've got a shared inbox on the Exchange server. You can see if someone's already read that, then you can quickly contact your colleague and say, have you replied to that? Then that way you're not sending both emails at the same time, because that looks really bad from the customer's point of view. Having too many people, and especially if you're conflicting information, it'll look really bad on the company, so that's really bad. They've got no calendar sharing, so about staff holidays, managers holidays, anything like that at all, to be able to say this is our group calendar. That would make things much more easier. They're all running separate calendars, or the calendars are printed and put up on the wall. Again, mess. Then also their file sharing. They don't file share. They've got their own files on their own desktop. Literally, they're on the desktop. She had like 100 icons across the desktop. Bless her. But there's no shared folder. They have a Dropbox type solution made by another company. So they're slow and tedious, because it means if you've got a file you've been working on that's quite big, drop it in the inbox. Depends on the bandwidth you've got there, and also depends on the bandwidth the other colleagues or you share with have. It can take a little while before it synchronises through, and then pick it up. So that's slow progress, but it sort of works, you know. Not good as a file and print server that's actually on your network, or some remote desktop solution that could actually achieve all this in much more simpler detail. And I said to her, I actually showed my remote desktop solution, said like, this is remote desktop, there's my shared access folder, there's my Outlook with a shared inbox that can be shared and globally connected to other colleagues around your business. You don't have to be at home or at the office to work from it. You can be anywhere. You can be on any laptop, any device connected to your remote desktop. So it makes it much more simpler and easier and tidier as well, to be able to sort of like share your information with your colleagues, your team. So hopefully they'll come back and say, we like that idea, can we implement it? So we'll see how it goes anyway. But it was a complete mess. I've seen lots of these over in the past, but now I still can't believe the amount of like cloud solutions, cloud services out there. People are still doing the old days. This is sort of stuff that people do like year in, year out, and come up. I thought this would be, because the amount of cloud services we've now got, the amount of information's out there as well, and obviously quite good IT companies now coming forward that are pushing the cloud services. They'll be on something much more nicer, but they tend to be buying bits here, bits there. They've got pop accounts, so they're paying per user per month on every pop account they have. Which on it, once you've got into Exchange server business, a lot of them tend to do deals. You get a free shared inbox for free, but you pay for your main inboxes. You get so much bandwidth for free with that, and so forth. So there's a lot more ways of saving money out there as well. And we looked at their website. They're on Squarespace. Hard to manage, hard to maintain pages and update pages. She's finding it really difficult to get round because of the way it's been designed and done. So I said to her, don't worry, we'll look at getting you onto WordPress, and that way, because there's lots of bolt-ins in WordPress that works really well. They've got this Hootsuite software which they pay again per user per month access. But there's a simple plugin that you pay £60 for 1 year license with support with it. I'll do exactly the same solution that's built into your website, so that way you can blog from your website, push out all to your social media groups, Facebook pages in one go. It costs you £60 per year, and anybody can access that from your website itself. So you can have teams of people going into it. It's not based on per user per month, basically. It's just based on a domain license for your website, which is really good. You can pay like up to £200 for it. Then you can have it on multiple domains, multiple websites. So if you run more than one website for your company, you can have it right across all your domains, which is really nice. And it's cheaper. So I'm saving some money for them, or trying to anyway. So we'll see in the next couple of weeks. I've sort of done the sale pitch. And I said it's totally up to you if you want to do that way, but let me know if you want to go that route, and we'll get it implemented. So we'll see if that actually works. If not, not a problem. If it does, then we'll do some video clips on how we go about getting them migrated over. So that makes some really good video as well. So I'm working on all sorts of different projects here, trying to get more videos out there for you guys, trying to sort of get more scenarios. Again, you like this sort of video, thumbs up. Don't like to do any thumbs down. If you want to see more stuff, or something particularly you want to know more about, please send me a comment below, and I'm happy to, or get in touch with me on jacksgear.co.uk. Find me email address, email me your scenario, and I'll help you out as best I can as well. If you just joined in IT and you work for a company for the very first time, not sure about things, again, send me an email, and I'm happy to reply to you. I reply to all my emails, and I try to reply all to my comments, so be patient, but I will get back to you anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. I've got another video coming out very soon on here as well, and we're talking network cables. We're going to look at like the different types of network cables: Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7 now, Cat 7A I think it is. But yeah, so we'll look at those. We're going to cut them apart, look what's inside the cable as well. So stay tuned for that. So thanks for everyone supporting me. Thanks to all my new subscribers, my current subscribers, and hopefully we'll start getting some competition up here so people can start winning some prizes. So it's not just about watching what Jack's Network is all about, but actually winning something too. It'd be nice to give some stuff away as well. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. Do it. And don't forget that little bell icon to notify when I come live on videos I do like this, or when I upload product reviews and other fun videos I'll be doing in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. See you soon.